Today's video is about chloro-alkali process. If you find this video informative and useful, kindly like and subscribe my channel. The raw material used here is sodium chloride, that is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride which is known as brine is used. And the next, on passing current, so the electrodes are there inside this tank, brine solution is fed into the tank, and on passing current through the brine solution, chlorine is produced near the anode and hydrogen is produced in the cathode, and sodium hydroxide is produced, that also comes near the cathode. So the equation is sodium chloride plus water, that is a brine solution. On passing current, that is you get sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen gas. So this sodium chloride is one of the raw material used for preparing bleaching powder, baking soda and washing soda. So the question may be, what are the raw materials used for the preparation, in chloro-alkali process? Or they may ask the question as, what is brine? For the preparation of bleaching powder, calcium hydroxide is taken and reacts with chlorine to form bleaching powder. So CaOCl2 is a formula for bleaching powder. Then what are the uses of bleaching powder? It is used in textiles for bleaching, that is bleaching the fabric, and it is used in paper industry for the wood pulp. So for the decolorizing and for bleaching purpose, it is used in laundry also, and it is used as an oxidizing agent in industries. Apart from that, to kill the germs in drinking water also, bleaching powder is used. Next is washing soda. Washing soda, the uses of washing soda, it is used in glass and soap industry, soap and paper industry. It is used in the manufacture of borax, and it is used as a domestic cleaning agent, the soap or whatever the main thing, to remove permanent hardness in water. So the question here, one or two marks question will be asked. So name a sodium compound which is used to remove permanent hardness in water. Then name the sodium compound used in the manufacture used in glass industry. The next one is baking soda. For baking soda, sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. So these are the raw materials used. And finally we get ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate is obtained. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. So here it is used in making baking powder. It is a main ingredient in antacid. Antacid is a substance which is used to reduce acidity in stomach. Then it is used in soda, acid, fire extinguisher. So 1 mark question may be asked based on in antacid which is used. Name a sodium compound used, which it is a ingredient in antacid, they may ask you, or a sodium compound which is used in soda, acid, fire extinguisher, they may ask. Next one is water of crystallization. So most of the salts they contain, or you can say that few salts they contain a certain amount of water along with the salt in the crystal form. For example, copper sulfate, CuSO4, it contains 5 you can say that the 5 molecules of water along with it. So here if you take, normally the color of copper sulfate is blue. So when you put it in a test tube and just heat it, the color changes to white in color. So it is due to, because it loses a molecule, that 5 molecules of water gets evaporated, and only it is copper sulfate, it's only white in color. Just later when you sprinkle a few, just water is sprinkled on the salt, it regains the color. So it becomes blue in color on absorbing water. So the certain amount of water present in the salt you called as water of crystallization. It is a fixed amount of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. So examples you can give as sodium carbonate, which has 10 molecules of water. The next one is calcium sulfate, gypsum. Gypsum also contains 2 molecules of water. And the last one is plaster of Paris, POP. So how it is prepared. So plaster of Paris, the raw material here used is gypsum. So gypsum, the formula is CaSO4 2H2O, that is 2 molecules of water along with that. So on heating gypsum, on heating, just it loses a molecule, or that is loses water molecules in that, and hydrate, you get POP, calcium CaSO4 half H2O. So this you called as plaster of Paris. So here, what are the uses? It is used for making toys, used for decorative purpose, and like it is for any fracture or something, like for setting the bones, for supportive, to stand the, to keep the fractured part in a position. It is used as a supporting agent.